AirPods. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing the Apple Airpods 2, which is the newer upgraded model. These are the ones without the wireless case. They cost £159, and Apple also do AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case, but they're a bit more expensive. They cost £199, and you can also buy the wireless case separately for £79. It makes sense just to get the AirPod with the wireless case if you don't already own one. It works out cheaper than if you were to buy them separately. Okay, so let's get them out the box. The measurements, if you want to know, the height is 53.50, the width is 44.30, and the depth is 21.30 millimeters. So the difference between the AirPods 1 and 2 is the AirPod 2 has a H1 chip which delivers stable wireless connection for high quality sound, and there's also less latency. Wouldn't you know? There's a simple tap one setup, and the AirPods are automatically on and always connected. They sense when they're in your ears and pause when you take them out, so that's good. They have more than 24 hours of battery life with a charging case up to 5 hours. It's 5 hours of listening time on one charge and up to 3 hours of talk time on a single charge. It's automatically on, as I mentioned before, and you're automatically connected. It's an easy setup for all your Apple devices. It's quick access to Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," and it will operate. Yeah, double tap to play or skip forward. So let's pair them up to my Apple iPhone 8, which displays, as you can see there, how much battery life there is left, which is pretty cool. You can use the AirPods on Android phones as well, but you have to download the app on your phone to be able to use it. It is voice activated, as I mentioned before, with Siri access. All you have to do is just take the AirPods out of the case, activate them. The music will start playing the moment you put the AirPods in your ears, and will pause the music when you remove them. So the Apple H1 chip ensures your AirPods will have better connectivity.
And then I put them in. And I can hear it. As soon as you put them back in.
They are a universal fit. They sense when they're in your ears and pause when you take them out. So I used to use wired earphones, and the wires always used to get tangled up, and it just takes ages to untangle them. Yeah, the Apple AirPods are pricier, but they are worth buying as they last longer, and the sound is good as well. So that's good. They have more than 24 hours of battery life with a charging case up to 5 hours. It's 5 hours of listening time on one charge and up to 3 hours of talk time on a single charge. Yeah, it's a shame that the other brands don't do these kind of earphones. They are convenient to have. They are a universal fit. It's automatically on, as I mentioned before, and you're automatically connected. There's not much difference between the AirPods 1 or 2. The sound quality is pretty much the same, really, from what other YouTubers have said. The only reason to upgrade is the wireless charging case. They are very easy to carry around with you when you're out. They have a very nice, small, convenient case. Yeah, the Apple standards have Bluetooth paired to every device, so you can connect it to your Android, iOS, Mac or PC. The AirPods are light. The weight is 4 grams each. That's 0.14 ounces. So light you don't even notice you're wearing them. The charging case is 38 grams. That's 1.34 ounces, so small enough to fit in your trouser pocket. So to conclude, the sound quality is very good, sharp and has a good bass to them. The only negative thing I would say about the AirPods 2 is they're not noise cancelling earphones, so just bear that in mind. However, Apple have come out with the AirPods Pro, which are noise cancelling earphones with a wireless charging case, but it will cost you, it cost £240. So a bit of a difference from 159. Should you hold out? Yeah, I think if you haven't got the AirPods 1 or 2, I would just buy the AirPods Pro. They're out now. Although they are pricey, I think they're worth the upgraded AirPods Pro. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you've purchased the AirPods, or if you're thinking of purchasing the AirPods Pro, or if you have got the AirPods Pro, let me know what you think of them. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see my next video, which will be coming out soon. Possibly, yes, possibly, yes, most definitely, yes, a washing machine video. And on that note, thanks for watching. Bye for now.